here's a large piece of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. It's been wetted. Rules in millimetres. It's got a nice bar of bright green running through the middle there. And up the top here, there's pinks, reds, golds across the top. Showing there. There's the red. So looks like either you could carve it or get out the thin saw blade, slice it, get the red stone off the top. Then you're probably going to have to cut this into a couple of pieces. Just it's a bit more wavy over on this side. That is there. Oops, sorry. Goes around. That's the bottom, nothing much in there I don't think. Just go around this way so you get an idea. Coming out over here. Anyway, I think you've got an idea of that. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.